The ability to scale, to respond instantly, and react quickly to market disruptions. These key challenges define who we want to be, to each other, and to our customers. We want to rewrite the rulebooks, break down traditional barriers, explore new spaces, and to connect with people at work and at home. Introducing a new approach. With IBM's Red Hat OpenShift platform, we can develop on very complex platforms, realizing application modernization with containerization. We can journey to the public cloud, integrate and modernize APIs, and realize the true automated benefits of DevOps. We can deploy a new cloud operating system with Linux, with containerization and Kubernetes, and leverage cognitive capabilities from IBM Watson. We can do this for you on private or public clouds and help you redefine your hybrid multi-cloud journey. On top of the Red Hat platform, you can also experience the very real benefits of IBM's Cloud Paks. The IBM Cloud Pak for applications, driving a reduction in development time by up to 84%. The IBM Cloud Pak for data, which integrates market-leading IBM Watson technology with IBM Hybrid Data Management Platform, DataOps, and governance and business analytics technologies. The Cloud Pak for integration, eliminating up to 33% of integration costs. The Cloud Pak automation to reduce manual processes by 80% and related efforts. And the Cloud Pak for multi-cloud management to drive down IT operational expenses by up to 75%. And to prove its worth, IBM continues to engage the OpenShift platform with Cloud Paks with our most valued clients. In June 2019, within Itaú, a Brazilian bank, IBM helped the bank with cloud modernization across its legacy apps. This ongoing approach engaged the Red Hat OpenShift platform on private cloud for the bank. The benefits are already being realized with improved time-to-market outcomes and in reduced production outages, as well as the benefits of increased automation in the development process. In January 2020, the USAA engaged IBM to deliver a cloud modernization which was across areas of move and build. In this case, the IBM Red Hat OpenShift was used to support development and to manage cloud workload. USAA are realizing cost benefits and improved compliance during the development of key applications, with improved time to market, as realized by the use of next-generation automation apps. The truth is, developers, combined with the flexibility of IBM's Red Hat OpenShift platform, have never been smarter, quicker, or more disruptive, and can deliver a new generation of apps and solutions for you. At IBM, with Red Hat OpenShift, we put smart to work.